Hi there and welcome to our video. This is describing our customer journey and what to expect when you call us. So we're going to talk about the sales call today and what to expect.
Yes.
So somebody's interested in getting a stair lift or home lift or an outdoor lift. They phone up and they get...
probably me on the phone, welcoming them, and I always ask what they know about stairlifts first. I don't want to bore them with any information that they already know. I also ask how they're handling or managing the stairs right now, so it gives me a level of urgency, what their expectations are, and sort of tell them about the process and give them prices, lead times, and kind of gauge with people what they really want. Because sometimes you could go on and they're like, actually, do you know what? I just want to book a survey visit. I haven't got time right now. I just want to cut to the chase. But then sometimes you're on the phone to them for like half an hour and you're answering every lift. I mean, when you said prices there, just to sort of be Ballpark,
absolutely clear, we can give you ballpark prices, but in order to give you an accurate price, we would need to actually come out and measure up for you to give you an accurate price, and obviously to see the stairs or the home or whatever. To see what work would be needed if you were interested in having a lift fitted. So I guess when someone phones up, there's probably a few different things. So it might be just advice you want, and that's absolutely fine. It might be that you want brochures, but to be honest with you, most of the time, we've got a lot of videos on our YouTube channel, which you can see, obviously. And we've got obviously lots of information on our website. So you can have a look at our website, and a lot of people are online these days. But of course we can send physical brochures out if needs be. We have got a showroom here, so you're welcome to come along and see the products for yourself and try them. So we've got a showroom in Calne in Wiltshire, and in Ferndown in Dorset, so you can have a look at lifts and try them yourself. Have a good little test drive on them.
We do also try and sort of figure out from the customer what kind of configuration of stairs they have. So at least that narrows it down to a straight or a curve, because very different processes, very different prices. Some configurations you can have straight or a curve. So it is quite, I don't want to give that sort of too much information away. So a survey is really sort of something we would need to do, but at least we can gauge from the response of the customer, so even down to lead times.
We've even had pictures as well.
People have emailed. That's really helpful.
Email or send pictures and things like that. So that's basically what to expect on a sales call. Watch the next video to see what to expect on a survey. We'll see you there.